A turnabout is a manoeuvre where you must safely turn your vehicle around in the road to face the opposite direction. It requires slow car speed and rapid steering movement. You should only complete a turn in the road when traffic conditions make it completely safe to do so. There are several variations in carrying out this manoeuvre, which you can discuss with your instructor on your practical driving lessons. Today our Chief Instructor David McDonnell, with over 12 years experience, offers one way of completing the manoeuvre successfully. As always, we will be carrying out the preparation, observation, manoeuvre routine. Controlling your vehicle. You must be able to coordinate the foot pedals, steering, gears, and handbrake if required. Observation. Being aware of all other road users and making sure you can see clearly in all directions. Remember, do not move out until it is completely clear and safe to do so. And accuracy. Using up the maximum road surface without touching either curb. Dry steering is permitted on the driving test, however it is not best practice as it causes uneven tyre wear and unnecessary strain on the rack and pinion system. It is always advisable to assess the camber of the road before you begin. This is the angle that slopes away from the centre of the road. The setup. On entering the road, you will be asked to pull in and stop on the left. Check your centre mirror and left mirror and signal your intention to pull in. Make sure the space you're stopping in is not blocking access to any property or parallel to any other vehicles or obstructions. Secure your vehicle with handbrake, select neutral and cancel signal. Step 1. Point 1 of the turn. Select first gear, check all mirrors and make sure to check properly over your right shoulder into your blind spot. If the way is clear, signal your intention to move out. Release handbrake and ease clutch up to biting point. Some light acceleration may be required. As your vehicle begins to move very slowly, rapidly turn the steering clockwise to full lock if possible. As you reach the crown in the road, clutch down and cover brake and counter steer anti-clockwise till full lock. As you draw closer to the curb, apply foot brake gently to a stop. You may use the handbrake if you think that the camber of the road may cause you to roll into the curb as you try to reverse. Remember, handbrake is optional on the driving test. Step 2. Point 2 of the turn, reversing. Before you reverse, it is vitally important that you check over both shoulders. Checking mirrors only at this point, without looking over shoulders, is not only a lack of observation, but may lead to a test fail. Select reverse and raise up clutch. This will prevent you rolling forward when you release the handbrake. Some light acceleration may be needed as the vehicle moves backwards. Rapidly turn the steering wheel anti-clockwise to full lock. As you reach the crown of the road, clutch down and right foot cover brake and counter steer clockwise till full lock. As you draw near to the curb, apply foot brake gently to a stop. You may use the handbrake if you feel that the camber of the road will cause you to roll back into the curb as you try to move forward. If you're in the middle of the road and another vehicle approaches, don't panic. Make eye contact with the other driver before you contemplate the next move. If they have clearly stopped for you, then you may continue to carry out the rest of the manoeuvre. Step 3. Point 3 of the turn, final move off. Look out passenger side window, then in the direction of travel. Get biting point and release handbrake. Some light acceleration may be required at this stage. Once in motion, rapidly turn the steering clockwise enough to complete turn. With plenty of practice, you too will be able to complete a turnabout successfully. Remember, you may use more than 3 points to complete the turn. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions for David, please contact the number provided on screen. We would love to hear from you.